it's Chloe Demir of Save the Victorial. How's everybody doing today? Amazing, I hope. It's your older than average YouTuber here again, and as you can see, I have a full face. So what does that mean? It means we are going to do a mystery bag unboxing. And who is this mystery bag from? It would be from Sydney Grace. I was gifted this from a friend, and it arrived today, so I thought I could do a quick unboxing. You normally get, I believe, 4 choices, and it'll be by skin tone or color favorites. And I think when my friend did the order, they ordered themselves one, and then they thought for shipping and everything, order another one, and they ordered it for me. And it was on sale, so it would have been, I think, part of the Black Friday type sale. So it was like $17.50, which is half of its regular price, which is amazing. But it's feeling nice and pretty lush in here. So it comes with this beautiful bag. There was a light blue and a dark blue, and I think they might have had a light peach and dark peach, something like that. And he got one of each, and I got the other one. So I'm about to open this. So we are going to put our glasses on, so we can see what we're doing. We're going to move over a little bit so I have some room to hold things up, and then we're going to go into the bag, and then we are just going to zip it open here, and it's got this beautiful tail here, and then we'll look at the inside of the bag after, but I'm just going to reach in and grab the first thing I grab, and this is here. So it's Sydney Grace, and it looks like it's a palette, and it is. Oh, look at that. And it comes with a mirror. So it's an empty palette, and you've got yourself the mirror there. Of course, it's got the little protector there, and I know a lot of people like this, and it's very satisfying to take that off. And then, yeah, so you have a beautiful mirror, and then we've got this palette here. So I'm going to hope that means that there's eyeshadows in here, which I know there is. They have a description in there. So we're just going to stick our hand in, and the first thing we grab is, of course, a single eyeshadow. This here is, does it have a color on here? Looks like the shade must be on the eyeshadow itself. So it comes in this pretty beautiful package like this. It is blue, and it is in the shade Let's Cuddle. Oh, that's so cute. So there's a sticker underneath, and you can carefully pop it out, and it's this beautiful shimmery blue. So let's stick it into the palette. So there we go. Let's Cuddle. Maybe we may do some swatches after, but let's see what else is in here. So stick our hand into the bag, and oh, we've got another shadow. And this looks to also be in the blue family. So let's open this up. And then this is in the shade Crashing Waves. So this is, oh, nice. So this is a blue matte shade. There we go. That's really nice. So let's pop her right near. There we go. So Let's Cuddle and Crashing Waves. Ooh, you can already be doing a cohesive look right there. So that's awesome. So I know it's a mix of shadows and some other things. And I think there might have been, you could also pick between makeup and maybe something else with glitters or something, or I don't know if that was another brand. I thought there was some different things you could also ask for. Let's see if we can pick a different shape. Yes, let's pick this. Oh, it's a square box. This is very nice. Sydney Grace. And it says Firelight Glow. Pressed pigment. All right. Ooh, I don't have too many pressed pigment. So, oh, wow. That is a nice size. Look at that. Whoa. Oh, look, it's me. Hey, me. Fingerprints already? 2 seconds in. So anyways, let's just be careful. And then, yeah. Oh, it's got a sticker on top, so that's great. So it is a pressed pigment. Let's open up our little sticker here. I'm just going to open it part way and just see if I can grab a little bit on my finger. If not, I can grab some more, but let's put it on our hand. So it's like a beigey shimmer. Let's see if I can get a little bit more. There we go. That's really pretty. I just don't want to open it at this exact minute, just in case I make a mess. So anyways, this is Firelight Glow, and then you can see the color there, definitely. That is really pretty. Like I said, I don't have too many pressed pigments, so that should be fun to play with. And then go in the box. Okay, let's pick up another one of these. Oh, we've got another shadow. This looks also like a shimmery one, and it's in that same family, kind of a bluish gray. And then this is in the shade Baby Boy. Oh, and this is also a shimmery shade. That is so pretty. Let's stick that in here. Oops. The right way up would be good, so I don't make a mess. And there we go. Look at that. That is very gorgeous. And what was that shade again? Baby Boy. And it's nice and magnetic. So there we go. So nicely sticking in there. And then hand in again. Oh, we've got another shadow. Oh, this one will be in a different color story here. And then it looks like these shadows are good for 18 months. We've got the ingredients on the back. And then let's flip this one over. Oh, this is a nice matte shade. And this is called Bonfire. So there's that. Let's start this right there. And then there is Bonfire. Oh, look at that. That is stunning. All right, look at that. So we've got 4 shadows so far, a palette and a pressed pigment. Wow, this is a gift that keeps on giving. And then here we go, another shadow. And again, same thing, 18 months. And then, oh, it's another neutrally shade. Is this a matte? Looks like it's a matte, and then this is in Abundance. There we go. I really like, oh, this is maybe even kind of purpley. I really like Sydney Grace. I have the Mel Thompson collection, the Tiny Marvels, and I really enjoy that palette very much. 2, 3, 4, 5 shadows. Look at that. All right. Oh, here we go. Stick my hand in. Oh, we've got another shadow. Oh, wow. I think I'm going to get it pretty close to a full palette here. Excellent. So this is in the shade Abundance. Oh, did I get 2 of the same one? Oh, maybe I got 2 of the same shade. Well, that's okay. There we go. Oh, that was probably just a little mistake, but let's put the 2 together for now. Or maybe I could use that one if somebody else may like a shadow. So maybe I'll hold on to this one and put it back into its package. So that was the shade Abundance. It was this beautiful neutral shade. So let's just put this one to the side, because I am putting together a few things for a giveaway. So let's pop that there, stick my hand in. Oh, let's grab this other one. Okay, here we've got another shadow. I don't think this is a duplicate, so that's woohoo for me. Let's go in here. And there we go. This is in the shade Toes in the Sand. Oh, that's a nice name for a shadow. It's like this taupey color here. So let's just pop that there. Look at that. So we've got 6 new to me shades. All right. Now, all right, what else do we have in here? Oh, I got another flat one. Oh, we've got another shade in here. This is also a blue shade. It's a shimmery. What is this? This is in the shade Force of Nature. Oh, this is beautiful. Oh, look at that. Nice. It looks like we've got like a, I'm going to stick this one in the middle. So it looks like, because we've got like a lighter one. This is the newer shade, and then a darker one. Ooh, so that's that one there. Force of Nature. Wow, that is amazing. All right. What else do we got here? Oh, what is this? All right, Sydney Grace, and it says, "Are you sure?" Are you sure? But sure, like as in Shore of the Beach. This is good for 12 months. It doesn't say what this is, so let's take a look. And oh, so I'm going to guess that this is a liquid eyeshadow. Here, let's actually open all this up. Oh, maybe just in case, shake it. Oh, we're feeling good here. So are you sure? Let's pop. Oops. Ooh, 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 ooh. Okay, it's a little liquidy, so be very careful. Let's see. Oh, look at this. Gorgeous blue. Oh, wow. That is super nice. So again, this is Are You Sure? Beautiful liquid eyeshadow. Okay, I'm just gonna try and blend this out to get it off my finger. Wow, that is really, really pretty. All right, it looks like I've got one more item left in here, and this is PSL Loose Highlighter. So I guess PSL, I'm gonna say is pumpkin spice latte. So this one says it is a loose highlighter. So let's open that up. Oh, and it comes in the same type of package where the other loose pigment came in. And this is that shade there. I do like a really good loose highlighter. Let's check that out. Let's do the same. Take a little bit of plastic off. Just take the little plastic thing off, and then let's put it on our hand here, if we can get it off. Ooh, that's pretty. I can really see there. Maybe I'll just take a little bit more. Ah, if I make a mess, I make a mess, right? There we go. I can see that a little bit better. Oh, nice. It doesn't go on too darkly. That is nice. Woohoo. I'm gonna put the sticker back. So that is Pumpkin Spice, a loose highlighter. Wow. And then looking inside the bag, it has a beautiful, just dark interior there. And yeah, so we've got 8 eyeshadows, a loose highlighter, a loose pressed pigment. Oh, it says pressed pigment, but it's loose. And this liquid eyeshadow. Wow, this is really great. Oh, and plus the palette itself. So for $17.50, this is, wow. I mean, even for its regular price, which was I think $36, getting basically a highlighter, a liquid shadow, a pressed pigment, and 8 shadows and a palette, that is great. Because even if you're going 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, like you're getting your value just from this palette here. So anyways, that was really quick and sweet. I just wanted, again, like I said, to do a little unboxing of my Sydney Grace mystery bag. And again, I think they do them quite often. I'm not sure if they do them monthly or quarterly or seasonally, but I know they do them quite often. This little bag is absolutely adorable. It's nice and it'll take up less space when there's got nothing in it. And I think this would be a great travel bag. Again, you can put in a good chunk of makeup in there. So anyways, there we go. That's it from me. Just a quick unboxing of my Sydney Grace mystery bag. We'll maybe do a video on what was in here shortly, because this was a pretty cohesive color story for the shadows. So I think I could definitely make a good look or two with these. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, a comment, and subscribe, and maybe even hit that notification bell. If not, that's okay. We can still be friends. We can still unbox or unbag beautiful gifts from friends, and you know who you are. Or I should say, as always, behave, make good choices, and we will talk to you soon.